Welcome friends to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to interface IR sensor with the Arduino. So as you can see, this is a typical IR sensor which consists of IR LED and photodiode. So we will learn how to use interfacing this sensor with the Arduino and how to do different type of projects using this IR sensor. So let's proceed the video. As you can see, this is the IR module. The white color LED is nothing but the IR LED which emits the IR infrared light, and the black color LED is nothing but the photodiode which receive the IR radiation. If there is some obstacle in a certain range, so IR LED, the light emitted by the IR LED will be reflected back to the photodiode, and photodiode can sense it, and further this IC will proceed the or process the signal. So if it is object in a certain range, it will receive the things. And this is the, you can see this is the processing IC, and after that the blue color you can see this is the a potentiometer or preset, by rotating which clockwise you can increase the sensitivity, and by decreasing the or moving the anti-clockwise you can decrease the sensitivity. And as per the pin concern, it has 3 pins: VCC, ground and output pin. VCC should go to the plus 5 volt, ground should go to the ground, and output should given to any of the input pin of the Arduino which you have assigned as an input. Now let's do the physical connection. First we connect the red color wire to the VCC pin of the IR module. Then we connect the black color wire to the ground terminal of the IR sensor module. And finally another white color wire we connect to the out terminal of the IR sensor module. So we got finally 3 wires that should be connected to the Arduino board. These are the pins. Red color is positive, black color is negative, and white is the input to the Arduino. Now let's see the Arduino board. In the Arduino board, left hand side pins, the 4th pin from the second series is the plus 5 volt. As you can see here, we need to connect the red color wire, and there are 2 ground wire also. There you have to connect, anywhere you have to connect the black color, and here in the pin number 6 we will connect the white color, because in the program we will make the pin number 6 as the input pin. That's why we are doing this same. So now let's connect the wires. First, red color wire connected to the VCC. Be careful while connecting. If you connect opposite, your board or module can be damaged. So black color wire is connected to any of the ground pin. And white color, the output from the IR sensor, is connected to the pin number 6. This is not the 6, this is a 7, last one. So this is the 6th one we connect. So IR sensor connection to the Arduino is over. This is the LED which we are going to connect. The longer wire, longer leg is the anode and shorter leg is the cathode. So we connect this is a buzzer, we connect the red wire of the buzzer, or twist the red wire of the buzzer to the anode terminal, and we will twist the black wire or negative terminal of the buzzer to the cathode terminal, so that we can have both visual as well as audio response from the system. So like that you twist the LED. Now we will connect this. The longer leg anode terminal should go to the pin number 13, because we have assigned pin number 13 as a output pin, or we will assign the pin number 13 is the output pin, and just next to that is nothing but the ground, so we can connect it. So our sensor and buzzer and LED output, that means input and output device already connected. Now we will start the program or write the program for it. Now I am in Arduino terminal. As we told earlier, by going to new, you can start writing the new program, and here I have taken new program. And as you know that any Arduino having two loops, one is the setup and void loops. In setup and void loops, in void loop we will write the entire program, logic of the program, and these are the ending brace. And in setup, void setup, we will give all the settings to the Arduino boards, like which the pin acting as an input and output, so on. So all settings will be given in the particular setup loop, and main program will be written in the loop. So first we have given as a serial begin 9600. This is a baud rate assigned to the computer. Here we can see we have assigned pin number 6 as an input and pin number 13 as the output, because we have connected the IR sensor to pin number 6 and 13 buzzer to the pin number 13. So now let's see. Okay, now let's see the function. This is the main function which read the sensor data. Here one function is written digital read, because the IR sensor is providing a digital output 1 and 0. So the sen variable is reading the input from the pin number 6, and now that data of the input from the IR sensor will be stored into the sen variable. Now there are two cases. One, if there is an obstacle, if there is no obstacle. If there is an obstacle, then we get the value equal to 0. So sen becomes 0, sen becomes 0, and when there is no obstacle, then the IR sensor provides you logic 1, so sen variable become 1. So we will read it, and using this if statement we will try to manipulate the program. So I need alarm should generate when there is an obstacle. So I am reading if sen equal to 0, that means if there is an obstacle that says 0 will be there when there is obstacle, then buzzer should glow. Blowing means I am sending a logic 1 to the pin number 13, so there should be a plus 5 volt. So what happens? The light and buzzer will glow and it will off. I am escaping the while loop because in later program you will understand that. Later in the beginning time you do not require that while loop, just I am putting on the buzzer for 100 millisecond. You have seen delay 100 means putting a 100 millisecond, and then again making the buzzer low, that means logic 0, so buzzer will be off for 100 millisecond. So this is a simple program, just disconnecting the while. Now let's compile the program and burn the program inside the chip, and how to burn you already know from the previous tutorial. Now our connection is over. As you can see, the power LED is glowing and this LED is not glowing. This LED will glow only when there is a reflection, as you can see. So the reflection, you can see the light and sound is there. So let's see with the other obstacle also. When there is an obstacle, I will bring an obstacle, so you can see the alarm will start when it comes in a particular range. And if you take it, ideally black color should not be sensed, but as per the high sensitivity it is also sensing the black insulation tape, but range is little bit low, as you can see. So our project is working properly as per the expectation. Now we want to reverse the project, like when there is an obstacle there should not be any alarm, but if there is you remove the obstacle there should be alarm. So just I make sen equal to 1. Now normally when there is obstacle the input is 0, so there will not be any alarm, but when you remove the obstacle then the sen value will be equal to 1 and alarm should generate. So let's see. Now we have burned the program. Now there is an obstacle, so there is no alarm. But as I remove the obstacle from the area, then alarm should start. As you can see, as I remove the obstacle, the alarm should start. So alarm is starting whenever I am removing the obstacle. Just changing the value of sen, we can invert the project. Now we are making while loop active. So what will happen, once the alarm triggered, it will not stop. Even if you bring the object near or closer, the alarm will not stop, because once it triggered, it will be in the while loop, and the alarm loop will be keep on going on. So if you want the alarm for continuous time, so then you can activate this while loop. Now just see, we have activated the while loop. Now remove the object, alarm will start, and if you bring back the object also, the alarm will not stop. So because of the while loop, unless you reset the Arduino board, the alarm will not stop. So see, the light is also glowing, obstacle light, but still you have bring the object back, but it's not getting off. So by changing the while loop, active the while loop, you can change the project functionality. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.